Hi. So today's question and topic which I am addressing is this. How can businesses effectively use custom post types in WordPress to enhance their website's functionality and user experience? So I think this comes in two points. But before I go into the points, maybe a very brief primer on what a custom post type is in WordPress. So WordPress evolved from the very start as a blogging platform. So it had two different types of content types, okay, so to speak. One of them is posts, and the second one is pages. Posts are your regular blog posts, which typically has a timestamp, and on the front end, it is typically displayed in reverse chronological order, meaning the latest one at the top. And that's typical of every blog, right? And then there is pages, which are the more static pages. I don't know what better word to use it for. So this will be used for pages like when you want to put up like an about page or a contact page, or however the services or these things which are not timestamped usually. So in an earlier version of WordPress, I'm not sure which version, I can't remember exactly, WordPress decided that, okay, I'll release an API for you developers to create custom post types. And this actually had very big implications. It literally moved WordPress from being a blogging platform and a website creation platform to a whole CMS, a whole CMS, content management system. Because now we are able to create different type of content, different type of custom posts, and have it display properly in the front end, just by querying like a particular post types. An example, so I was just speaking to a business owner this morning, and his business is about putting up shows, entertainment industry. Okay, so he's creating shows, he writes a storyboard for the shows, and then he markets those shows and gets people to come and watch those shows. Without going into further details, so that's what I want to share. So for his website, I've created a post type for events or shows. So for every event, he can go into the back end, and there will be a specific menu item called events where he can create a new event, and with custom post types and custom fields for the post type, he's now able to quickly administer and create new post types, new events whenever he has something coming up. And with the custom fields created for him, he knows exactly what to prepare for each event, like for example a poster, a synopsis, who are the actors, and so on and so forth. So the 2 points which I wanted to say is, first thing, when you create a custom post type, it makes it very easy for you to segregate that section on the front end of the site, because it makes it very easy to query for that particular post types and list it, for example, in reverse chronological order, or whichever order that you want the events to appear, right? And then from the back end, it also makes it easy for the administrator or someone who is maybe not a developer, but more someone who is the one who uploads the content, to know exactly where to upload that, to key in that new information for a new event in our case, and exactly what information he needs for that particular event. So it makes both the front end cleaner and also the back end easier to manage. So that's my take on how businesses can use custom post types effectively. And this is just one example. There are many examples. I've used custom post types across many different websites, across different use cases. And by the very notion of being able to create something that is custom, that is specific to that website, makes WordPress so magical. See you tomorrow.